I just added, just filming. This is going to be a new camera, but essentially one, two, three, four, five, six. This is the first time I'm going to run 6 cars on this train. So let's plug it in. This loud ass 50 RPM motor. And let's see if the 6-car train can make it up this. Look at that. Ripping. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh! All right, all right. All right, this is the first try of the 6. Oh my God. That's fucking hilarious. I don't know why. All right, it also means I have a DJI Osmo, and it's supposed to go on there, and I've been redoing the clearances, so hopefully you guys will get this smoked out. Look how fast this lifts up, look. Literally, it used to be like a 45-second cycle. I think we're down to 30. That would probably make sense. Good Lord. Yeah, I'm ready for the camera to show tomorrow. Let's fucking go.